Here's how to make an Avicii track. Let's jump straight in. Avicii uses chord progressions to display emotion. This is super important. This is a 1-7-3 progression in the minor scale with the 4th added at the end. Avicii uses the technique of shifting the middle note up an octave. This makes the chords sound way more full. These chords are then used with a guitar preset, but this time they're played differently. It's still the same chords though. Use multiple guitar sounds for a thicker sound. And let's add a pad in the background. This is very, very subtle. Now we copy the root notes of the chords to add a soft bass line in. And some drums. This is just a 4 on the floor kick. Let's find a vocal too. For the drop and build up, we'll play the chords in a quicker rhythm, with a catchy top line using any notes in the scale. Use a low pass EQ to add suspense. We'll automate this to open up towards the drop. And claps for tension. We can also use build up loops and risers too. And here's how it sounds together. But we've added a sidechain white noise. Hear the difference it makes? The full track, You Want It, is out now on all platforms. Please make sure to check it out using the link in the video description. And thanks for watching this tutorial on how to Avicii. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.